This is Charlie giving you Friday's live trading, and we're just looking at the charts at the moment. And it could be that this morning, bear in mind it's non-farm payrolls, but it could be this morning I'm trading the Aussie dollar here this morning. We'll just see how that goes ahead of the non-farm payrolls. Because it's non-farm payrolls, you don't know. You could get into a trade early this morning, and then if it doesn't do anything, then I would have to close out of it ahead of the news. But anyway, we shall see. So if it does a bit of a pullback, it could be a trade on the Aussie here this morning. Okay, so we're still waiting on this, as you can see on the Aussie dollar here. The problem we have this morning a little bit is that potentially is the non-farm payrolls anyway today. Now, yet again, I'm out meeting one of our old traders actually. He still trades, but I'm meeting him at 2 o'clock today. So I'm pretty much going to miss non-farm payrolls myself, other than just seeing where the prices have gone on my phone. So and if I don't get anything this morning, then I miss out on trades today. But so we're waiting here. I'm in the trading room waiting for a pullback on the Aussie dollar, but as you can see, we're not getting one as yet. So not enough of a pullback. Can't justify it on a risk to reward to just buy sort of up here. So we're just patiently waiting. I have been looking at the pound and the euro as well. But again, they have their own things going on, and so I don't think the euro. I'll reassess the euro, but again, I don't think I have enough to justify a risk reward on that. But anyway, we'll see how we go. So we'll come back to this as and when. Okay, right. So the Aussie dollar has come down to support there. So I've just put the 1 unit in. I'm going to get a second unit in. It's it's right in that area. I've just missed the absolute low there as it's come down to that pivot there, and that 5-minute 50 and my bands and stuff. So 2 units in this morning. It is non-farm payrolls, so just 2 units in. As far as stops are concerned, we've already discussed that with the guys in the room. So we're going to put a stop down at 88. So it's about a 12 pip stop or so. So stop's going to be down at 88. First targets are going to be up at about 22. We're going to see if we can get up to 22. So that's that. I'll just get the stops put in place, and I didn't know if we were going to get filled, but there you go. Bit of patience. But whether it works out, it is, like I said, non-farm payrolls, and the markets may want to just come back and stay in their ranges. But anyway, we'll give it a go here this morning with these 2 lots here. So what I'll do, the nice thing is I don't have to at the moment hide the account anymore. I can just bring the account over because of this week's videos. At least for now, I can just bring the account over and put the stops in, because it makes no difference, because you've probably seen the videos this week. If you haven't, then it doesn't matter either. So 73, 88. There's that start. I usually do all this off screen, don't I? Or I bring them up, drag them across. But as it doesn't matter at the moment, for now anyway, until I start entering more swing trades, then I can show the account there. Right, that's that for now. Long Aussie dollar. I'll press pause for now. Okay, just back, and we've been chatting away here in the trading room, and not noticing that the Aussie dollar is sort of closing in on the target, which is at 22 today. The 22 was this daily 20 moving average, this blue line here, just a bit above price. So I'm just going to use that as the target here this morning. Of course, with it being a non-farm payroll day, you never know how much further a market could go. But I'm just going to close out the positions today and say, no, that's it, done. And so what I need to do is put some limit orders in, because I'm chatting away here and we're not paying too much attention. So just in case it decides to go up there when we're not looking, so often happens. So 74.22, 74.22, there we go. 74.22. Okay, so we've got the orders in place now, right? Good. We're all set there this morning, but we'll still have to see what happens. We've got a long way to go to the non-farm payrolls. We're only 9 pips away from 74.22, but it's got to get right up here, isn't it? So we'll see if it can do it or not, but it may not. But I've not moved the stops as yet. The stop's still down at 88 here. At some point, maybe what time are we at now? 20 to 10. Maybe after this hour, we could probably move our stops up because these bands will be moving up a bit. So we could probably move our stop up a few pips then. But so yes, we could probably do that, but not yet. I like to give them a bit of room just in case we want to come down and do a band test on the hourly chart here. So what we've done, as you remember, we bought it down here at the black line at the 8 a.m. pivot, which is also the 5-minute 50, which is also my 30-minute band. So those are the overlays this morning. It's just a case of a bit of trade management going on now, I guess. Anyway, I'll press pause for now.